In a world where health-conscious cooking meets convenience, air fryers have revolutionized how we prepare our favorite foods. Two titans dominate this space, Cosori and Ninja. Both promise crispy delights with minimal oil, but which one truly deserves the prime spot on your kitchen counter? Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or simply looking to make weeknight dinners more efficient, this comprehensive comparison will help you navigate the features, performance, and value of these popular air fryer brands. Capacity and design. When it comes to feeding hungry mouths, size matters. The Cosori air fryers typically offer generous capacity, with their popular models featuring a 5.8-quart basket that can cook enough food for 3 to 5 people at once. This square-shaped basket maximizes cooking surface area, allowing you to fit more food in a single batch. Ninja counters with various capacity options, including the impressive 8-quart dual basket model that outshines Cosori's 6.8-quart dual basket option. The Ninja dual basket design is particularly noteworthy for families, as it allows cooking 2 different foods simultaneously with independent temperature controls. The physical footprint differs between brands as well. While both take up considerable counter space, Ninja's dual-zone models tend to be bulkier but offer more cooking versatility. Cosori models generally maintain a more compact profile while still delivering substantial cooking capacity. Cooking performance and speed. In head-to-head cooking tests, Ninja consistently demonstrates faster cooking times than Cosori, despite sometimes using less power. In comparative testing, the Ninja dual basket model cooked food noticeably faster than the Cosori counterpart while drawing less wattage, 1,240 watts versus Cosori's 1,735 watts, 1. This efficiency translates to both energy savings and quicker meal preparation. Temperature range is another significant differentiator. Ninja air fryers typically offer a wider temperature spectrum, 105 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, compared to Cosori's more limited range, 170 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This expanded range gives Ninja an edge for low-temperature dehydrating and high-temperature searing applications. When it comes to cooking results, both brands excel, but with different strengths. Ninja air fryers tend to produce exceptional results with chicken wings, creating that perfect combination of crispy skin and juicy interior. Cosori models shine with evenly cooked French fries and vegetables, delivering consistent results across the cooking basket. Features and technology. Modern air fryers are packed with smart features, and both brands compete fiercely in this arena. Cosori stands out with its smart connectivity options, allowing integration with home assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant. Their app offers over 100 preset cooking modes, taking much of the guesswork out of air frying. Ninja emphasizes versatility with multifunction capabilities. Their models typically include settings for air frying, roasting, baking, reheating, broiling, and dehydrating. The Ninja Dual Zone technology with Sync Finish and Match Cook functions ensures different foods finish cooking simultaneously, though some users find these settings initially confusing. Cosori counters with user-friendly presets for popular foods like chicken, steak, seafood, and frozen items. Their one-touch operation makes them particularly appealing to air fryer beginners. Both brands feature digital displays, though Cosori's touchscreen interface can occasionally be finicky, requiring multiple presses to register selections. Ease of use and cleaning. Kitchen appliances should make life easier, not more complicated. Both Cosori and Ninja score well for user-friendliness, but with different approaches. Cosori emphasizes intuitive controls with its touchscreen interface and clearly labeled presets. The inclusion of a preheat button is particularly appreciated by users who want more precise cooking control. Ninja models are praised for their straightforward operation that often doesn't require consulting the manual 7. However, some Ninja models lack a dedicated preheat function, which can make precise cooking timing more challenging. When dinner is done, cleaning becomes the next consideration. Both brands feature non-stick, dishwasher-safe baskets and accessories that simplify cleanup. Cosori includes a helpful cleaning brush for removing stuck-on food particles. Some users note that Cosori baskets can be tough to clean if not attended to immediately after cooking. Ninja's ceramic basket is highlighted as being non-toxic in addition to being non-stick and dishwasher safe. Noise level and build quality. Nobody wants a kitchen appliance that sounds like a jet engine. In noise level comparisons, Cosori tends to be louder than comparable Ninja models. This could be a consideration for open-concept homes or those who prefer quieter kitchen operations. One specific complaint about Cosori models is the volume of the touchscreen buttons, which users report are very loud and cannot be turned down. This might seem minor, but can become irritating with regular use. Build quality appears solid for both brands, with Cosori offering a 2-year warranty and reportedly excellent customer service. Both manufacturers use quality materials, though some Cosori models use Teflon coatings, which might concern those looking for non-toxic cooking surfaces. Ninja offers ceramic-coated options for those with such preferences. Value and price. When investing in kitchen appliances, value encompasses both initial cost and long-term utility. Cosori typically positions its products at a lower price point than comparable Ninja models, making them attractive for budget-conscious shoppers. Despite the lower price, Cosori doesn't significantly compromise on features or performance. Ninja justifies its premium pricing with additional functions, wider temperature ranges, and often faster cooking performance. The decision ultimately comes down to which features matter most to your cooking style and budget constraints. Energy efficiency should also factor into value calculations. Ninja's ability to cook faster while using less electricity makes it potentially more economical over time, despite the higher upfront cost. Special features comparison. Both brands offer unique selling points that might sway your decision. Cosori includes a recipe book with over 100 air fryer recipes, providing immediate inspiration for new owners. Their smart connectivity features also appeal to tech-savvy cooks who want to control cooking from their smartphones. Ninja's dual-zone technology stands out for busy households, allowing simultaneous cooking of different foods at different temperatures. Their wider temperature range also makes Ninja models more versatile for specialized cooking techniques like dehydrating. Cosori's Shake Reminder feature helps ensure evenly cooked food, which is particularly helpful for air fryer novices. Meanwhile, Ninja's Max Crisp setting delivers extra crispy results for those who prioritize texture in their fried foods. Real-world performance. Theory aside, how do these air fryers perform in daily use? Cosori excels at reheating leftovers without drying them out, maintaining texture and moisture in pizza, fries, and chicken tenders. Its rapid preheating, reaching temperature in just 3 minutes, means less waiting when hunger strikes. Ninja demonstrates exceptional performance with proteins, particularly chicken wings, which come out with restaurant-quality crispiness. Its faster cooking times make it ideal for busy weeknights when every minute counts. Both brands significantly outperform conventional ovens in terms of cooking speed and energy efficiency, with foods typically cooking in 10 to 15 minutes versus 30+ minutes in traditional ovens. So which is better? Choosing between Cosori and Ninja ultimately depends on your specific needs and preferences. Cosori offers excellent value, generous capacity, and user-friendly operation that makes it perfect for air fryer beginners and budget-conscious shoppers. Its smart features and recipe guidance provide a gentle on-ramp to air frying. Whichever brand you choose, both Cosori and Ninja represent the pinnacle of modern air fryer technology, delivering healthier fried foods with convenience that traditional cooking methods simply can't match. Your perfect air fryer awaits. It's just a matter of prioritizing which features matter most to your cooking style, household size, and budget.